Hi everyone! There is a monitor we use on our computer, and what can we do when this is not enough for us? I'm not going to tell you about buying monitors here. I'm talking about using the tablets or phones we have as an additional monitor. We all have wireless internet at home. With the SpaceDesk application, you can add as many monitors as you want to your computer. Even your laptop monitor can be a second monitor. Now let's see how it's done. We install the server version of the application on the main device. We also install the client version on other devices. There is such a control panel in the server version of the application. The application is ready to transfer images over a wired or wireless connection. When you run the client version on the other device, it will automatically recognize the connection if you are connected to the same network. After the connection is made, you can adjust the position and resolution settings of the other screen from the Windows display settings. You can also see the image of the second screen that I have completed the link for right now. I positioned the second screen to the left of the first screen. Now I am dragging app screen on main monitor to second screen. Now let's drag another app to the other screen and check how it looks. Let's see the same process live from another angle. As can be seen, we have an external monitor wirelessly. What if we have a MacBook Air with Apple operating system and an iPad device? Then what should we do? When both devices are connected to the same network and logged in with the same Apple account on both devices, the devices can recognize each other directly without the need for any other settings. MacBook Air must have macOS Ventura version installed. Your iPad's operating system must be up to date. When both devices are connected to the same network and logged in with the same Apple account on both devices, the devices can recognize each other directly without the need for any other settings. We can use this feature on Mac devices without the need for any other software. Technology makes our lives easier with the innovations it brings every time. We have come to the end of our review video. You can be notified of new videos by subscribing to the channel. May my heart be with you, technology with us. See you again.